you ever thought about having AI book your travel tickets for you, schedule your Zoom meetings, or respond to your emails? Today, I'm going to take you one step further and show you how ChatLLM computer agent works. In one of my previous videos, we reviewed ChatLLM Team's utilities and commands, but today I'll show you something even more advanced. I'm going to walk you through ChatLLM Computer Agent, an advanced tool featured on ChatLLM Teams by Abacus AI. This video is going to be fun, and I hope you'll learn a thing or two about automating appointment scheduling, call booking, and efficient calendar management, all with the help of AI. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description and follow my steps. Let's not waste any more time. Without further ado, let's get rolling. Alright, let's display the sidebar. I'm going to click on Computer Agent. While we're loading the computer agent, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this tool. This AI agent can control my mouse and keyboard. It can take screenshots for me. It can type and navigate through windows and applications. It can create and edit files. It can execute system commands. It can run background tasks, and basically it can do almost anything you would normally do on your computer, but for you. Sounds exciting? I bet it does. Let's run a test. All right, so I will ask this computer agent to find the most recent articles about dinosaur discoveries for me, and let's see if it can execute the task and provide me with the requested screenshot. All right, we can see that the agent is working. It is executing complex tasks in this window, and it uses a browser to access information and follows my exact request. It looks impressive, and this is awesome. It actually feels like a real human is typing in the information. Simply incredible. Look at this, recent dinosaur discoveries 2024. We can also see the steps that the computer agent is trying to execute. First, it opens Firefox and navigates to the articles. Then it finds recent discoveries. Finally, it takes screenshots of the articles. I can now download my screenshots. Let's actually take a look. Screenshots. Screenshot 1, 2, and 3. This is the first screenshot. This is screenshot number 2. And finally, the third screenshot. So far, so good. Now, let's take it up a notch. I want the agent to find the cheapest flight tickets for me with specific criteria. All right, so it opened Firefox in private/incognito mode. Then it visited skyscanner.com, and now it's searching for flights from Tampa to San Francisco. I can let this process run in the background with quality AI assistants like this. I literally don't need a personal assistant. I can get multiple things done, multiple things completed at once. And seriously, I can just keep this browser window open, let the agent work on my task while I'm doing something else. This process would have taken me at least 20 minutes to complete manually, but the computer agent is doing it for me. Actually, I had to wait for quite some time, but I see the result. I can purchase a round-trip ticket for just $170 from Florida to California and back. $170. It's incredible how now we have advanced tools that help us accomplish tasks in a short amount of time. Now let's try something even more exciting, more important maybe. I will try to add events to my calendar, and there are a couple of ways we can achieve that. I can log into my calendar and let the AI take control, or I can create a calendar file and import it manually. I'll try option 1. I'm going to click on sign in. I'm now logged into my calendar, and I will ask the assistant to create an event for me. Let's see if AI will manage to add this event to my calendar. As you can see, this AI agent can handle any task that a human assistant would, but much faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Look at this. I'm impressed, and it looks amazing. All right, as you can see, the AI agent managed to add an event to my calendar. Here, it summarized its accomplishments. Dinner with my wife, Friday, February 14th, time 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. The name of the location. The event has been saved. So what else can you do with this agent? Any multi-step task can be completed by this tool, and your creativity is the only limit. Time is everything, so saving it with tools like ChatLLM Teams by Abacus AI just makes sense. It makes sense. In my upcoming videos, I will show you how to code with Code LLM, which is another great tool by Abacus AI, and I will also show you how to build websites using the mentioned tool, using advanced AI coding tools by Abacus AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'm done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.